check this out with me. This is your foot. This white structure here is your plantar fascia. It does support your arch, but it shouldn't be the only thing that supports your arch. Check what supports it. Muscles. These are your flexors. The yellow ones are deep flexors, all the way closest to the bone. The red ones here are also flexors. They help your toes go in and scrunch down, and they help bring your arch to become a little shorter. But what also helps your foot are your abductors. You have one on the outside of the inside of your foot and one on the outside of your foot. They help your toes go wide. This wideness helps you use all of your foot, all of the muscles here that do contribute to helping your arch. But what does constrict your arch is small toe box shoes. So when you're in tiny toe box shoes, your toes look like this, they're all squeezed together, you don't get to use these abductor muscles. What helps you is if you get into wide toe box shoes. They help you spread and open things up. You can use your whole range of motion, helps you with balance, helps you with strengthening everything. Give it a try.
Only you can. Mario!